How to create a survey with Constant Contact. So let's begin. Open your Constant Contact account. On the top, you can see marketing over here. Let's click on that. After that, click surveys on the option below. To create one, just select create a survey over here. On this page, you can now customize your survey. On the left side, you can use all these tools to make your survey appear more professional and engaging. To change the questions, just simply click the question box over here, and on the top, click Edit right here, and put your question. Then on question type, let's just make it a multiple choice. Hi on answer 1, 2, 3. Just input your choices over here. If you want to add another choice section, click on Add Response below, and you can also toggle this on if you want to make this question to not be skipped or required to answer. Click Save once done. If you want to add more question, just click Add Question on the top. And once that you think you're good to go, click on Activate on the top right, and there you have it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.